Okay, folks, I'm here at the auction in Chattanooga, and I bought something online, sight unseen. I hope this wasn't a huge mistake, but here it is. 1993 Plymouth Grand Voyager. Old van looks pretty darn good. Look at that. I mean, it's losing some paint, yes. It's got some tape over the windows, yes. $375. Check out this interior. Oh wait, it doesn't have a sliding door on this side. Dude, this thing is mint. Doesn't have a headliner. This is great. I love these old town Chrysler vans. I'll hit it with a rattle can. Oh, look at that, a 3.3. I think this paint's original. Where's the damn prop rod? There it is. That's also the jack for the spare tire. What a cool van. Got oil. Let's see if it's leaked anything since I parked it here. No, doesn't look like it. It just went through the auction. It's had a 134 update at some point. It's got good hand-cooked tires on it. Hell yeah. Really, the only thing is paint. But that can be touched up and fixed. I mean, how cool is this for $375? Seriously? Let's crank it up. I hope it doesn't smoke. Please don't smoke. Please don't smoke. One key. Let's get the steering wheel adjusted. 118,000 miles. I'll be damned. She actually runs pretty good. This is crazy. You gotta be kidding me. Feels like the air might be getting cold too. It's had a few cigarettes. It's got an owner's manual, a couple of books. Cool, man. Sounds pretty good. Let's take her for a little short drive here. Find the power seats. Oh man, that seat's hauls ass. Okay, let's take her for a drive. Dude, this is crazy. If this van is even worth half a crap, this is going to be my new daily driver. Dude, I love this thing. Oh man, the suspension is soft. But check out this burgundy interior, man. This thing is luscious. Luscious. I mean, it's got over a half a tank of gas. I just hope it doesn't smoke or run hot. That's all I care about. The air is even half-ass cold. I can't believe this. This is crazy. 93 Plymouth Grand Voyager. Dude, for the money, this is a winner. Well, maybe. Transmission didn't seem to want to shift. We'll see what happens. Pretty cool, huh? Oh well, I need to pay for this thing and figure out the next move. So I'll catch you on the next episode. Peace.